tackling weekend lake trips, coastal exploration, or peaceful fitness sessions on the water without wrestling with heavy, rigid epoxy boards or dealing with bulky roof racks usually means turning to portable inflatables. The ROC Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board, 10 feet 6 inches, redefines the entry-level and all-around SUP category by pairing military-grade durability and an ultra-stable platform with an expansive, complete accessory bundle. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its heavy-duty military-grade PVC architecture paired with advanced drop-stitch construction. Instead of feeling flimsy or flexing under pressure like budget inflatables, the board inflates to a rigid 12 to 15 psi, providing a rock-solid feel on the water that rivals traditional hard boards. This is complemented by an extra-wide 33-inch deck design and a generous 350-pound weight capacity, offering exceptional balance and buoyancy whether you are paddling solo, bringing along a pet, or introducing beginners to the sport. Performance and versatility streamline the on-water experience for youth and adult paddlers alike. The board features a forgiving all-around shape with a 3-fin setup, including a large removable center tracking fin that balances smooth flat water tracking with responsive maneuverability. Day-to-day usability is elevated by a comfortable non-slip EVA traction deck that keeps your footing secure when wet, alongside a front bungee cargo system for securing dry bags and gear. Furthermore, the complete out-of-the-box package includes an adjustable aluminum paddle, a high-pressure hand pump, a coiled safety leash, a waterproof phone case, and a comfortable travel backpack. Things to consider before you buy. Because it is an inflatable watercraft, pumping the board up to its optimal 15 psi requires a few minutes of physical effort with a manual hand pump, though you can easily upgrade to an electric 12V pump if you prefer effortless inflation. Additionally, while its wide, stable hull is exceptional for cruising, yoga, and casual touring, it is optimized for stability rather than high-speed racing. So who is this really for? This paddleboard kit is an absolute home run for beginners, families, weekend adventurers, and pet owners who want an all-inclusive, highly portable, and remarkably stable watercraft that packs down compactly into a backpack. If you are an advanced surfer looking to carve aggressive ocean waves or an elite long-distance racer, a specialized rigid fiberglass board will better match your performance demands. Is it worth the money? If you value exceptional durability, effortless trunk-to-shore portability, a generous 350-pound capacity, and a complete premium accessory bundle right out of the box, it is a premier, high-value investment for your outdoor summer adventures. The Amazon link sits right in the description for easy access.